Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Neff. I'm one of the managing partners of Secure Retirement Strategies, and I'm in charge of running the registered investment advisory group, Duke & Duke Wealth Management. And today I'd like to talk about something called an alternative investment. Alternative investments are just that, an alternative to the traditional stocks or bonds that you might see. The big difference between an alternative investment and a stock, for example, is that a stock trades minute by minute, hour by hour on an exchange, whether it be on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. An alternative investment does not trade at all. In fact, in most cases, they're illiquid. We're not necessarily crazy about illiquid investments because we don't want to have our money, clients' monies tied up for a long period of time. And so we found a couple of real estate investment trusts offered by a major real estate company that everybody would recognize the name of, where it does have liquidity, but it also fits the alternative investment criteria, meaning it does not trade on the exchanges, and that's really a good thing. This year, for example, this particular alternative investment is up about 7% year to date, where the stock market is down anywhere from 15 to 25%. And the reason being is because it is not a liquid investment, investors who own shares in this company aren't panicking. They're not selling because they can't sell it every day. And as a result, they tend to hold on to these investments longer, and they don't suffer the wild swings of the market. Now, let's talk about why this is an interesting investment. This investment pays a dividend every month. And whether you're retired or whether you want to put this in a retirement account or use an after-tax account, it's very good because you have two choices. You can have that dividend paid in cash every month, and it's a great source of cash flow. Or you can have that dividend reinvested back into additional shares in the company, which will build your net worth, grow your account, and give you more money down the road. We also like that too. And typically, it is not a liquid investment. You're not going to be able to sell it every day. You have to own this investment for 12 months. And in month 13, and starting in month 13 and every month thereafter, you have liquidity. Every month, you can tender your shares back to the company that runs this on a monthly basis on the 15th of each month at net asset value. This particular company, the dividend has been somewhere in the range of about 4.3 to 4.4% each year. In addition, there's been capital appreciation every year as well, too. The goal of this company is to pay a 4.2 to 4.5% dividend annually and to pay a capital appreciation as well, which is another 4 to 5%. The goal, total return, between 8 and 10% a year. They've achieved that every year since 2017 when this became first available, and in many years exceeded that number too. So we have a really neat investment. The property is all domestic. We would love the opportunity to show you this particular investment. We can't really talk about the name of the company because it's offered by prospectus. And when we meet with you, we'll give you a copy of that prospectus and certainly explain in greater detail how this investment works. So please give us a call, 267-544-0333, or go to our website, www.srsstrategies.com.